We've all been there. A supplier hands you a messy, handwritten note, and now you have to manually punch every single item into your system. Not today. I'm going to show you how Quarto turns this total chaos into live, structured data in seconds. First, we jump into the Quarto environment. Fast, secure, and ready to work. We head straight into the inventory module and open up our material requisition chart to get this specific workflow started. Now, for the magic part. I'm selecting that handwritten file, the one everyone hates to type. One scan. That's it. No manual data entry, just pure AI extraction. Now, really look at this note. The script is completely misaligned, words are running across multiple rows, and the quantities and prices are all cramped together in a way that would confuse most systems. It's a total mess of scribbles that would normally take 20 minutes of frustrating manual correction to fix. Even the GST is written carelessly right here at the bottom, almost like an afterthought, but Quarto didn't just read the ink, it understood the context. Every single item, from the LED downlights to the wall fans, is mapped perfectly to the right columns with the correct quantities. It even captured that messy tax rate and applied it to the whole voucher instantly. No errors, no double-checking, just 100% clean data ready for the next step. Now that our data is successfully in the system, let's configure the underlying logic. We're heading into the backend right now. Clicking into the Settings menu to find our configuration tools. Here is the full menu showcase for you. You can see our General and Accounts tabs, our Detailed Info section, and the column properties. And here it is, the heart of our customization, the Formula Builder. Let's go ahead and click to add a brand new formula to the system. We'll name this one Live Landed Cost. We are setting the visible width to exactly 1200 to make sure this specific data is clear, prominent. First, we open our bracket, and then we open a second bracket to group our totals. Now, we are selecting our item total variable from the dynamic list on the left. Once that's in, we add the plus sign to include our tax. We grab the GST value variable from the variable list to combine it with our base total. Now, to include our other expenses, we are adding another plus sign for our overheads. Look back at the handwritten note one more time. There's the 250 rupee handling charge we saw scribbled at the bottom earlier. We are typing in that 250 fixed cost right now to bake it into the system logic. Now, to get the unit price, we add the / to set up our division. Finally, we select the quantity variable and add it to the end of the string. And just like that, we hit save. The logic is locked, and the machine takes over. Now, look at the dashboard. The live landed cost is standing tall for every single item on the list. From the smallest PVC bend to the heavy-duty wall fans, the math is absolute. No manual spreadsheets, no human error, and absolutely zero developer intervention required. This is the moment the game changes. We are handing the keys of the kingdom back to the user. You don't need a coding degree to pivot your business, and you don't need a team of consultants to handle a messy, real-world price hike. If you can think it, Quarto can calculate it. Any situation, any complexity, handled with simple, lethal logic. This isn't just a tool, it is unlimited power for any organization ready to lead. Stop fighting your software and start commanding your data. This is the future of digital infrastructure. This is the Quarto Revolution.